Hey yo, what's poppin', guys? It's your boy Dennis Grizzard, back at it again with another video. Here on my channel we talk about personal finance, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and credit. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning back in today. This is video number 4. And, we're just going to keep it going, man. Keep bringing this knowledge to you as I learn it. I'd love it to share it with you guys. If you don't mind, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when I drop new videos, and leave a comment below and let me know what you think, man. I really appreciate you guys for continuously checking on it and getting new knowledge and enjoying this knowledge. And a lot of people will let me know they're really enjoying the knowledge that we're sharing here on the channel. So that's really encouraging. So we're gonna get straight into it, man. Here today, we're gonna talk about different side hustles that you can do to make money today with very little or no money at all. Perfect. Thing number 1, something that I did a lot and I kind of dabble in every now and then if I want a couple extra bucks, is doing food delivery and rideshare apps. So you have your Instacart, you have your Uber Eats, you have Shipt, you have Lyft, you have Amazon. You have all of these different apps that allow you to use your own personal car to deliver food and to deliver people. So you go ahead and you sign up for these apps, and as long as you don't have anything that comes up on your background check, and as long as your car is within that range that they allow you to drive for them, then it's no problem. You get started right on the app. It takes probably a week to get certified in the app. To go ahead and drive, you got to get your car checked out. You have to do all their checkpoint things. There's plenty of places that you can go to do it for free or very little money. So my suggestion is really to sign up for one of these apps and start working on your own time and start getting that side money on the weekends when you're off or after work. If you want to work a couple hours, there would be weeks that I would bring in, $200-300 a day, depending on the weekend day that I went out, and I was still working a full-time job during the week. So it was pretty good money. I couldn't complain. I definitely enjoyed it, met some cool people, never had any issues. No one ever threw up in my car. So it's pretty cool, man, definitely. So moving on, we'll go to thing number 2. Number 2, here's something that a lot of people don't talk about, and it's called bank account churning. And it's kind of similar to credit card churning. What a lot of people do is open up new credit cards and get the sign-up bonus. And then the sign-up bonus can either be cash back, it can be airline miles, it can be things like that. So what a lot of people do, and what I've done a few times, is what's called bank account churning. And what you can do is you can search online and you can find exactly what banks are offering sign-up bonuses to open up a checking or a savings account at that bank. A lot of places like to offer $300 for opening up an account, and they'll send you things like this in the mail where you can earn $300 if you can open up. This one is with Chase, with their business account. You can get money when you sign up for them. So I'll make a full video on how you can do bank account churning, and it really doesn't take any money. And if you already have a full-time job, usually all they need is a couple direct deposits, and then they release the money to you in 30, 60 days, something like that.
Easy, piece of cake.
Thing number 3. Now, something else that I used to do, I know that the Dollar Tree has really cool name brand stuff every now and then. You gotta kind of search, but if you search it out, you might be able to find some good stuff. What I like to do is resell items from the Dollar Tree on the internet. So, for example, went to the Dollar Tree and I found this for $1. It's called the Egg-tastic. Now, this is not an infomercial.
Check out the Egg-tastic.
No, none of that. So the Egg-tastic was only $1, but when I looked it up online, it was selling for $10. So what I did was I went ahead and bought one, and then you can sell it online for $10, and you keep the difference in $9. A lot of things that didn't really sell well on infomercials and things like that, you'll see them pop up at your local Dollar Tree every now and then. Also, they pop up at Ross. Also, you can go to Big Lots, get the name brand items because people seem to trust these a lot more. And then you can go ahead and put it on these different apps, Facebook Market, Craigslist, eBay, or whatever other thing you can sell on that's safe. Do that. Do that, for real. Seriously, it's good money, good extra money, and it's easy. You don't have to work for it. It just sits there, and as soon as somebody's ready to buy it, they just call you up. Or you can check out on Craigslist in their free section, and you can find some good used items in there that people might just want to let go of. Maybe they're moving, something like that. And you can go and take these items off of their hands, and you can also resell it on things like Facebook Market, eBay. You can also go to yard sales, garage sales. In your area, people like to sell a lot of good things. You can get it at a really, really low price, and then you can just sell it for a good amount. I bought a Chinese fan from a garage sale for $1, and I sold it on eBay for 20 bucks, just because people want that stuff. You'll find people that like different things in different niches, and I like to go for niche items when I resell items, and then you can just put those online and let the selling do itself. Thing number 4 that you can do if you're kind of good with cameras and editing and things like that, you could create an online course doing something that you're normally good at doing anyway. So if you're good at playing basketball, if you know how to play the trumpet, if you know how to cook, anything like that, you can go ahead and create a course on how to do these things, and you can sell that course online. There's different websites like Gumroad and Teachable and things like that that allow you to sell your courses on their website, and you can charge whatever you want for these courses. It could be something reasonable, or you can upcharge it a little bit. It really depends on what it is, what you're teaching people, and how valuable it is to them, and how much they would pay. Kind of think about how much you would pay and put that price tag on. Maybe make it comparable to people that are doing what you're doing and selling courses like that. Plenty ways out here to make that money. So go ahead and make the money. And then finally, thing number 5. Now, I see a lot of changes coming in the industry, especially with the pandemic that's happening right now. A lot of jobs are moving more to online based or stay-at-home based, and a lot of jobs aren't really coming back. So what are the jobs of the future? And one job I think that's going to be really big in the future is setting up smart homes for people. Especially older people that need this assistance on setting up smart homes that can really help them in their day-to-day activities. Now, if you go on YouTube, you can learn how to set up all of these smart homes from Google, Alexa, you can set up Apple, all of these different smart home devices. You can learn how to set them up, and it can really help people. And people will pay to have you set it up because they really don't know how to do it. So if you're good at picking up on things like that, and you're good with tech, and you can kind of sync all of these devices together, I would really suggest you going ahead and learning how to sync these devices together in the smart home and sell your service to people. You can go to people's house and just connect all of their things together in your free time. You tell them the items to buy, you're not buying the items. They have them all ready to go right there for you, and you just set them up. Smart thermostats, smart fans, smart blinds, the little Nests that they have from Google, this Alexa system, things like that. Because who wouldn't want to be like, hey Google, send me a song?
Oh, okay, here goes. I'm singing a song. I'm your assistant and I'm singing la 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 la.
So yeah, man. Different things to think about, different ways you can make some money on the side. Once again, my name is Dennis Grizzard, and here on my channel we talk about personal finance, saving, investing, entrepreneurship, and credit. If you don't mind, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know when I drop new videos, and leave a comment below and let me know some side hustles that you guys like to do. I would love to have a discussion with you down in the comments section. Thank you again for joining us. We're dropping 2 videos every week, man, so make sure you're tuning in. All right, thanks again, man. Peace.